Hey there, future homeowners. Can you see it? Your dream home right here, just waiting to welcome your family with open arms. But let's talk about the journey to get there. Are you feeling a bit lost in the maze of new home construction? Trust me, I've been there. It can be overwhelming, but here's the thing, you're not alone. Let's talk about the impact of these challenges. Delayed move-in dates, messing with your family's plans, budget overruns, putting a strain on your finances. Yeah, it's not fun. But hey, let's flip the script. Picture this, your family in a brand new home, surrounded by love and laughter. Sounds pretty amazing, right? That's where Kona Carpentry comes in. With a variety of floor plans, a dedicated team committed to staying on schedule that comes from years and years of planning, experience, and relationships with tradespeople. The last couple we've sold are on schedule, if not early. Don't forget, there's quality construction backed by a 2-5-10 home warranty. Your dream home is closer than you think. So what are you waiting for? Let's make your dream home a reality together. Drop me a DM to learn more and check out the variety of floor plans.